All right, I'm back with another HomeDepot.com deal of the day. And yes, it is the second day in a row they are doing tool deals on HomeDepot.com website, and it is on the website only. So they do have combined deals today between home security and then actual power tools, which I'll skip down to the power tools section. And I will have one affiliate link down in the description below, as well as a pinned comment that'll take you right to this page. And all you have to do is just scroll down past the home security, unless of course you're interested in some different security camera options and doorbells. But I'll skip ahead down to the power tools. So they did have some similar deals that they had the previous time of yesterday as well as Sunday, but they also have some new deals today. So first up, they brought back the deal for 79 bucks is the Ryobi fan. That's the hybrid fan that's powered by an extension cord or 18-volt battery, and they have that with the 4 amp hour battery and 2 amp hour one with the charger for 79 bucks. That's saving 79. That is 50% off. It is a good deal on it because the fan by itself is priced at $59 alone. And they brought back a deal from the Milwaukee M12, the subcompact brushless 3/8 drill driver. It is tool only for 69 bucks, saving 60, and that is 47% off. And they brought back a deal again on the DeWalt 5 amp hour and 2 amp hour battery with the 4 amp charger for only 80 bucks, saving 118, 60% off. This is the same kit that they had during the holiday time. When they had it for $199, you're getting a free tool. So this is a good deal here today for 80 bucks. And yes, we have seen this deal previously. I think it was yesterday as well as Sunday and times before that. So it is still a good deal at 80 bucks for these batteries and charger. And in case you missed out the deal from yesterday, they have the same one for rigid with a 2 amp hour battery and charger for 34 bucks. That is saving $59.76. 64% off. This time they have the Ryobi. It's a 4-tool combo kit with the circular saw, flashlight, drill driver, and impact driver with 2 batteries, charger, and a bag for $249, saving 149 bucks. That's 37% off. I still think you might be better off going for the kit that they have during the Ryobi days, where it's $199, which I think that kit only has 2 batteries. This one actually has a 4 amp hour one and then three other batteries as well. Based on the description, it says it has 2 amp hour batteries and then 1 4 amp hour battery. But based on the picture, it shows 4 batteries. All right, next up is the M18 on the 2-pack of the 2 amp hour batteries for 118 bucks, saving 120, 50% off. And here's a deal on the Milwaukee M18 on the high output 6 amp hour battery with the charger for $139, saving 60 bucks. That's 30% off. And they brought back a good deal on the M12 inflator with the 4 amp battery and charger for $139, saving 100 bucks. That's 42% off. The inflator by itself is priced at the $139, so this is a great deal to include that 4 amp hour battery and charger. Next up is the Ryobi 18-volt hybrid fan with the hand vac with 2 batteries and the charger for $127, saving 76 bucks. 37% off. And then another deal from the rigid platform. They have the 10-tool combo kit again for $569, saving $230. That's 29% off. And don't forget that these do have lifetime service agreement on the tools. Just be sure to register at the time of purchase. That way you're covered under that warranty. And here is a great deal on the DeWalt Atomic series of the cordless 1/2-inch ratchet kit with a 1.7 amp hour oil resistant battery, which is a power stack one, with the charger in the bag for 189 bucks. That's saving $140. That is 43% off. It's an excellent deal, and it's a deal we don't see often on the DeWalt platform for this ratchet. Let's see how many they have left. They basically have 57 left, so they will likely sell out of this one today, I would imagine, if enough people get word of it. So it is a good deal there at 189 bucks. All right, next up is a deal on the Ryobi 18-volt, the 6-port fast charger, and it has 2 batteries that are the 2 amp hour ones. It charges 1 battery at a time, just so you're aware of that. And that price is $149, saving 89 bucks. That's 37% off. And this time they have another deal again. They had this previously, I think a couple weeks ago, on the high volume inflator kit with 1 battery and the clamp fan and charger for 89 bucks. That's saving almost 40. That's 31% off. And they brought back a deal again on the rigid. It's the max output starter kit with 2 4 amp hour batteries and a couple chargers, which is this one is the multi-bay charger for $199, saving 119 bucks. That's 37% off. And then a deal from Milwaukee on the M18. This is a 2-pack of the 5 amp hour batteries for $187, saving $142, 43% off. Now this one I would actually just pass on because you can go for another kit that would actually include a charger and a tool. So pass on this deal for today. And they brought back a deal on the 2 Forge batteries, which are the 2 6 amp hour ones for $302, saving $156. That's 34% off. And the next deal is going to be on the Milwaukee M18 Super Sawzall. It's the orbiting one with a 5 amp hour battery for $306, saving $133. That's 30% off on that one. Another Ryobi option is on the 5-tool combo kit with 2 batteries, which are the 2 amp hour ones for $159. That's saving $40. That's 20% off on that one. And that does include the orbit sander, the hand vac, the 5.5-inch circular saw, flashlight, and the drill driver. And they brought back a deal on the Milwaukee Bulldozer set. That's a 21-piece set for $97, saving $122. 56% off. And they brought back a deal again on the Milwaukee M18 on the 5-inch random orbit sander with the 2 amp hour battery for $147, saving $121. 45% off. That is a good deal on that one. Again, if you're in the market for the orbit sander, sander by itself is normally priced around the $150, $159 mark with tool only. So it is a good deal to include that 2 amp hour battery. And here is a good deal for Milwaukee on the M18 grease gun with a 2 amp hour battery for only $215. That's saving $203. That's 49% off. That is a good deal on that grease gun. And they have another deal on the Milwaukee M12. It's the 2-pack of the 5 amp hour batteries for $136, saving $113. 45% off. So yesterday's deal, they had 3 of them for like $204, which is still a good deal. The batteries priced by themselves was around $129 by themselves. And just so you're aware, I did have a comment on my video yesterday. I think it's from 2 Feathers, and thanks for commenting that. So be sure to check your store to compare the battery prices, because he mentioned at his store they had the 2-pack of these 5 amp hour high output ones for $99. So it might be a better deal in the store. So shout out to 2 Feathers, and thank you for commenting that. And just want to make sure everyone's aware to maybe check the store pricing first. Next up is a great deal on the Milwaukee M18 on the 1/2-inch high torque impact wrench. They have the oil resistant 5 amp hour battery with that, as well as a regular 5 amp hour battery for the $367. That's saving $192, 34% off. The reason why this is a great deal is because the tool only by itself is priced at $399. It does not include any batteries. And they actually have other variations of the kits and everything, but for $367 to get the high torque wrench, it's an awesome deal. It offers, I think it's 1,500 pounds of nut busting torque and then 1,100 pounds of fastening torque. So it's a very powerful high torque impact wrench. This would be a good time to get it if you're in the market for it. Next up, they brought back the deal from Rigid on the 3-tool lighting combo kit for $129. I think that's probably like what the actual value is, in my opinion. They say it's saving 58%. It's $178 in savings if you purchase them separately. And they brought back a deal from Ryobi on the 2-pack of the clamp speakers for $55, saving $73, 57% off. And they brought back a deal again on the Rigid 2 batteries. It's the 4 amp hour and 2 amp hour one with the charger for $72, saving $77. That's 52% off. And they brought back a deal again on the Ryobi 18-volt oscillating fan with 3 batteries. So it has the 2 4 amp hour and 1 2 amp hour one, and it's saving $169. That's 50% off. It is a good deal because the current Ryobi Days deal that they have for this same battery starter kit, they have that priced at $199, and this fan is one of those options you can get for free. So you are saving an extra $30 here today. And then the next deal is going to be the DeWalt 20-volt. It's a 10-inch dual bevel fixed miter saw. So this is not the sliding one. So it's a 10-inch one with the battery and charger for $364. That's saving $274. That's 43% off. And that is a pretty decent deal for a miter saw like that with the battery starter kit. And that's going to be it for the power tools for today. I believe they're going to be doing another day of power tools this week, I think on Friday, so stay tuned for a video on that day for these deals. And if you did get any value from this video, I'd really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos. And again, I'll have a link down in the description below, and it does help the channel. It won't cost you any more money, and I do really appreciate that support. And so I'll see you in the next one. Crasher out.